the past, many images have been published of mysterious objects on Mars. While some of these images can be explained logically, there are numerous images that defy logical explanation, and the image presented here could very well be one of those. A skeleton lies in the Martian soil. For many, the way to look at Mars has changed dramatically over the last 5 years. Thinking that Mars was a barren and dry planet, we have come to learn that our neighboring planet was actually very similar to Earth in the distant past. Even today, NASA reports that there is liquid water flowing on Mars. Scientists have learned that in the distant past, Mars' atmosphere was very similar to that of the Earth, and the red planet had vast oceans, lakes and rivers, like our planet has them today. Having said that, it is not unreasonable to theorize that life could have evolved on Mars in the distant past. Dr. John Brandenburg, who has a PhD in plasma physics theory at the University of California and currently he works as a plasma physicist Technologies Orbitals in Madison, Wisconsin, believes that in the distant past, the red planet was inhabited by two ancient Martian civilizations, and he calls Cydonios and Utopians. According to Dr. Brandenburg, these civilizations were massacred in a massive nuclear attack, and evidence of genocide still be seen today. Well, this was the last he saw the owner of the alien skeleton. According to Dr. John Brandenburg, there is sufficient evidence to prove that at least 2 nuclear explosions occurred on the surface of the red planet in the distant past. The theory proposed by Dr. Brandenburg is based on traces of uranium and thorium that have occurred on the surface of Mars. This Martian civilization was wiped out by another hostile alien race, who live in other parts of the universe. See also, Mushroom Cloud Orbiter photographed by India confirms massive explosion on Mars. The image discovered by Page Journey to the Surface of Mars Facebook of the surface of Mars appears to provide physical evidence that goes hand in hand with the theory proposed by Dr. Brandenburg. In the picture, many suggest that we see a fossilized skeleton on the surface of the red planet, a skeleton that could have belonged to an ancient civilization that inhabited Mars in the distant past. However, skeptics strongly deny something like this, saying that Mars was never inhabited and all the suspected objects and structures artificial found in many NASA images are nothing more natural formations of Mars.